Virtual RAM. How your device expands its memory. Introduction. Have you ever noticed your smartphone or computer claiming to have more RAM than it physically contains? This is made possible through a technology called virtual RAM, also known as virtual memory. It's a clever system feature that helps devices handle more tasks even when their actual memory is limited. What is virtual RAM? Virtual RAM is a memory management technique where part of your device's storage space, such as an SSD, hard drive, or internal flash memory, is temporarily used as additional RAM. This helps your system keep running smoothly when physical RAM becomes full. Why do devices need virtual RAM? Every running application consumes RAM. When you open too many apps, the physical RAM reaches its limit. Without virtual memory, your device would slow down, crash, or start closing background apps. Virtual RAM prevents this by borrowing a portion of your storage to hold less used data. How it works. When the operating system detects that RAM is almost full, it moves inactive data from RAM to a section of the storage called the swap file or page file. This frees up space in physical RAM for active processes while keeping other data available for later use. Virtual RAM in smartphones. Modern Android phones, such as those from Samsung, Vivo, and Xiaomi, now include a feature often called RAM expansion or RAM Plus. For instance, an 8 GB RAM phone may allocate 4 GB of storage as virtual RAM, displaying a total of 12 GB memory capacity. Virtual memory in computers. In computers, this concept isn't new. Windows uses a page file.sys, while Linux uses a swap partition. Both serve the same purpose, extending memory beyond the physical RAM installed. The main benefits. Virtual RAM allows smoother multitasking, helps prevent app crashes, and improves overall system stability. It ensures that background apps remain available instead of being forced to reload every time. The performance trade-off. Although helpful, virtual RAM is slower than real RAM because storage devices have much lower read-write speeds. As a result, switching between heavy apps may still feel slightly laggy. Impact on storage. Frequent read-write operations on flash storage can lead to wear and tear over long periods. However, modern devices use optimized algorithms to minimize this effect. When virtual RAM helps most. Virtual memory is most useful in budget or mid-range devices with limited physical RAM. It allows them to perform closer to high-end models during multitasking or gaming sessions. The limits of virtual RAM. While it enhances temporary performance, virtual RAM cannot replace physical RAM. For tasks like high-end gaming or video editing, having more actual RAM will always provide better results. Conclusion. In summary, virtual RAM acts as a smart backup that helps your device juggle more tasks by using storage space as temporary memory. It's an invisible but powerful feature ensuring smoother performance, especially when your system runs out of physical RAM.